How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can put your TP-Link router in bridge mode. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to connect your computer onto your router right here. And then right after, you could just type the IP address for your router. Now, I'm not going to show you my IP address right here, so I'm going to refer to my screenshots. Right after, head over to the login page for your modem. It's going to be the same thing as for your normal routers out there, where you type the IP address and you will be then prompt to the page where you can access the settings for your router. Now, you want to refer on to the instructions of your router, but generally, if this is your first time logging on, I believe it's going to be something like admin. But of course, you could just search it up on Google to see what's the password for your specific router. From there, there's going to be the advanced settings, so just make sure to actually click on it. And then you want to navigate through the quick setup, click operation mode, and from there we have the access point mode. In this mode, the router changes an existing wired network into a wireless one. So just go ahead and select the access point mode, or normally known as bridge mode, and from there you should be good to go. So guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.